back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is this month's glossy box. Sorry if I am late to the party with this one. You may have already seen what's inside the box. I actually got this a week ago and I am running way behind on filming, but we're going to have a little quick look anyway. So let's get into this unboxing. So obviously this month is June, and it is just a standard box. If you remember last month's box, I can pop it here. It was a special sort of welcome to summer sort of box. It was yellow, lots of rays as if like sunshine's happening. So this one's just a plain box this time, but it still has some really nice goodies. So obviously inside we have the standard black ribbon which comes with the standard box, and you get your usual little card to tell you what you get in this month. You actually get a freebie this month, which is this Taylor's tea. Oh sorry, I say it's tea, it's Taylor's coffee bags. I don't know whether you've ever had a coffee bag before, but yeah, it has, did I open this already? No, maybe not. It has 2 lots of roast 4 and roast 6 coffee, which I think is rich Italian and hot lab Java coffee. I think it feels like granules, so you could definitely, it's just an instant. But yeah, if you want to try that out, you get that free with this month's glossy box. I've got that as well as an extra. So what have we got in the box? Oh wow, so we've got Nip and Fab. Love this sort of brand. I do have a few of theirs. I've used them quite a few times. This is a vitamin C scrub fix. Now I love vitamin C, it's really good for the skin, and it's a scrub as well, which is really good. So it is that size, which is it is 75 mils. I'm sure that is actually a full size. It is a full size. It should have been £12.95, so automatically you got your money back straight away. It's illuminating as well, which is really good. It's got coffee extract and coconut oil, so it's going to be good for cleansing and nourishing and renewing the skin. So yeah, really looking forward to using that. I'm actually going to use that later, and I do kind of like that sort of packaging as well. I love the orange with the pink. It kind of works, doesn't it? So that was that one. Right, next up we have this Mitchell and Peach. Now I haven't heard of these before, but it looks like an English brand. It is a full-size product again. I don't know if you can see that. It's an almond oil and a vitamin E. It's a body oil, and it's going to leave the skin feeling soft and scented. Yeah, it should have been £23, guys, for this size, and this is a full-size product. So yeah, that would be really nice. Would be really lovely to, when you come out of the bath, and just pop some of that on, just to give you that skin, that extra nourishing that we need, especially with it being summer as well. I find that sometimes your skin can dry out a little bit, because you do lose moisture all the time. So the next one we've got is a Centroban. I do like this cream as well. I have one of their other ones as well. It's very good if you've got sort of like skin issues like eczema and stuff like that. It's really good. Yeah, it just says it's for dry and sensitive or eczema prone skin, but their stuff is really, really good. It does smell a little bit like, their stuff normally smells a little bit like clinical, but I don't mind that. So this is good for hands, it's good for any sort of skin. I think you might be able to put this on your face as well, but it's kind of an emollient cream, so it's like a bit like a moisture barrier. It kind of traps the moisture in, just to keep obviously your skin hydrated. Yeah, so it's really good for people with eczema or like dermatitis sort of problems, and it just traps the moisture in so that you're not losing too much moisture. So it's got a little like bead in there to keep it shaky, but yeah, that is that one. And as I say, that should have been, sorry, this is a deluxe mini as well, and it should have been £2.99 for the deluxe mini. A full size would have been £4.99. So this is 30 grams, so not bad at all. Right, next up we have a Batiste. Now we all know what a Batiste is, so I use dry shampoo on a regular basis. I normally buy Batiste. I normally get the brown one though, because I find sometimes this isn't bad, don't get me wrong, but because I've got dark hair you can see it a little bit better and I have to brush it a little bit more. But it is, I do go for these ones if I can't find the brown one. I have used this one before as well. This is lovely as a handbag size, and it smells really nice as well. So it's definitely a handbag size. So it's a deluxe mini. It should have been £1.60, which is quite good. And like I said, you can pop it in your handbag, use it on the go, you know, if you're feeling a little bit sweaty or whatever. There you go, pop your dry shampoo on. Right, next up and last but not least, we have this Louise. Is that right? It's a pH changing hydrating lip oil. I love the packaging. It looks absolutely funky. I love that. I'm thinking it's cherry flavour. So it is a full-size product. Another full-size product. Should have been £13. Oh my god, this one's really good. And it is, I love the packaging so much. Look at that. Oh my gosh, can you see that? That is so funky. Now it is kind of like a clear. It's a lip oil and it's got a little brush on there. So it's by the Beauty Crop, which was not evident. The logo is so small on the top of the box, but it's by Beauty Crop. It's a non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment, and it's got a bit of a cherry blend in there. So let's give this a go. Ah, that is nice. And it isn't sticky at all. It's just smooth. Oh my god, how cute is that? Does it kind of make my lips look pinky? Although it kind of looks clear. Do you think they look red? Oh my god, I love that. I absolutely love that. That is coming in my handbag. I've got to say, I love it. It's not overly cherryish. It's not like too strong or anything like that. But oh my god, doesn't it make your lips pout? I really like that. It's really good. So that's everything for this month's Glossybox. Again, apologies for it being late up on my channel. But anyway, I hope you're having a good June. Yeah. And that's everything for the video. So if you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me.